Welcome to your weather forecast. Let's turn the clock back to Tuesday when a scary looking cluster of thunderstorms moved across KwaZulu-Natal. A few of those storms became severe and produced large amounts of small hail near Pietermaritzburg as well as the southern Drakensberg. On Wednesday, thunderstorms seen developing in Limpopo as well as in Mpumalanga, slowly spreading eastwards where we still have a level 2 yellow warning in place for the possibility of severe storms. But looking ahead into Thursday, instability values higher over northwest Gauteng, surrounding areas as well as the Eastern Cape and KwaZulu-Natal. And this picture is telling me you can expect a stormy Thursday. So here's the forecast. Well, there you have it. Our rain forecast also showing thunderstorms expected to develop over eastern South Africa could produce significant rainfall, especially in parts of Gauteng, the Free State, and the Bushveld. The South African Weather Service is warning against the possibility of severe thunderstorms, which could lead to large amounts of small hail and heavy downpours in northwest. This includes the southern parts of Gauteng, the Highveld, and over KwaZulu-Natal, where more rainfall could also lead to localized flooding in places over the northwestern areas of the Bushveld. Isolated thunderstorms becoming scattered on a Thursday over the eastern areas of northwest. Scattered storms also expected over the Free State, spreading into Gauteng, the Bushveld and Highveld, with more stormy conditions later over parts of KwaZulu-Natal and an onshore southerly wind expected to bring in some evening drizzle for the southern coastline. Starting with the Western Cape, warming up quickly over the northern and central areas with 31 degrees in Clan William, a partly cloudy day with temperatures in the mid to upper 20s for the central part, and then later that southeaster picking up in Cape Town. An onshore flow bringing in some cloud and evening drizzle all the way from Mossel Bay, spreading over the garden routes and later expected in Plettenberg Bay. A windy but comfortable afternoon for Gqeberha with a high of 24. Hot over the interior of the Eastern Cape with temperatures around 30 degrees over the northern areas. Isolated thunderstorms expected over the northeastern part, where those thunderstorms could likely become severe in the vicinity of Kua, Matatiel, as well as Kokstad in KwaZulu-Natal over the southern Drakensberg and northwards of Pietermaritzburg. Scattered thunderstorms expected over the northern areas from a late afternoon, and storms also moving over Mpumalanga on Thursday. Expecting mostly cloudy skies with 23 degrees in Ermelo. It's a mostly cloudy day for Limpopo. A few showers expected at first along the eastern escarpment, and thunderstorms redeveloping over the bushvelds could likely lead to localized flooding in the vicinity of Matatial. Becoming stormier northwest with scattered thunderstorms expected over the eastern areas and isolated over the west. In the northern Cape, a southwesterly wind picking up over the southern and western areas. Temperatures expected above 30 degrees, and then due to the heat, isolated thunderstorms are likely over the eastern part. In the Free State, becoming stormy, especially from late afternoon. Thunderstorms expected to spread eastwards, later reaching Bethlehem and Harrismith. It's also going to be stormy on Thursday from the afternoon over Gauteng, 23 in Johannesburg, a westerly wind picking up, and the South African Weather Service has also issued a level 2 yellow warning. Into Friday, more thunderstorms spreading along the eastern escarpment into Limpopo and Mpumalanga and becoming patchy on Saturday. Over Gauteng, most of the stormy conditions expected to subside, only to return on Sunday. But on Saturday, a northeasterly wind gusting along the east coast. Well, that's all from me. And remember, no matter the weather, we're in this together.